Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, like and share to others to also benefit from this video. So in this video, I will be explaining to you certain concepts. So as this being my first lesson, I will tackle integers. So I have taken upon myself to start teaching integers. Mathematics topics, and I have selected integers for now. So today I will be doing the idea of integers. And the name of this program is Maths Made Easy. JHS Maths. I have another segment in which I will be tackling SHS Maths, but here I'm now focusing my attention on JHS Maths. And as I said, this is lesson 1. And I'm doing idea of integers, which is under the main topic integers. So an integer is any positive or negative whole number. So when you talk of an integer, then a number which is positive or negative is an integer. So we have example being negative integer, -2, -3, -4. So you could see that the sign, which is the negative, which depicts negative, makes this 2 a negative integer. -2, the same as -3 and -4. And you have the positive as being the +2, +3, +4. And this +2 is the same as the normal 2 we all know. And this 3 is the same as the normal 3. And the 4 is the same as normal 4. So it means that if you see these 2, it automatically means that this 2 is a +2. So this 2 will automatically be a +2 without even a plus in front of the number. But if it's a negative number, then the minus sign should be there. And we also have instances depicting the idea of integers, which is the negative and the positive aspect. So we have ground floor, as in mansion, and upper floor. So the ground floor may be taken as the negative aspect, and the upper floor will be the positive aspect. These are instances that depict the idea of negative, the integers. And we also have years in BC or AD. So BC, as you all know, before Christ coming, and AD is after the death of Christ. So BC will be the negative, and the AD will be the positive. And you have the common one, which is having or owing money. So we depict the having part as the positive, and the owing will be the negative, as the integers. So we normally use the negative aspect to represent owing as debt, and the positive as having money, which is credit. So we can just write -3 and +3. So we can say that Kofi is owing 3 Ghana cedis, but Ama is having 3 Ghana cedis. So when we reach the addition part, the operation on them, we'll be using more of this. So kindly keep this fact in your head. But then let's kindly turn our attention to comparing of these integers. So comparing of integers, and we will be using the number line on the number line. So we'll be comparing integers on the number line We'll be using the number line to compare integers here. So this will be our number line, a line which has markings on it, and the 0 will be at the center, and the right side will be the positive, the left side will be the negative. So the number which is negative should come on the left side of the 0, while the positive will be at the right side of the 0. So if you know this, then it means that -4, which is on the left side, is less than 1. The number line depicts that any number which is on the left side of the 0, as I said, the 0 is the center or the middle of the number line. Any number which is on the left side of the 0 is less than that of the right side. And also any number which is at the left side of a digit, of a certain digit, that number will be less than that digit. So you could see we have -3 being at the left side of the -2. This makes -3 being less than +2. Then reasonably you can say that those that on the right side of a number will be greater than them. So we have 1 being greater than 0, whereas 4 being greater than 3. 4 being greater than 3. So this is how we compare. Using the number line. As I said, the positive values will be on the right side, whereas the negative values will be on the right side. So let's have another number line like this. Have 4 here, 6 here. You can have -2 and -4. So you can use this. So -4 is less than -2. Then we have even 0 greater than negative. I said when a number is at the right side of a certain negative, then that number will automatically be bigger than the number we're talking about. So 0 is at the right side of -2, which means 0 being greater than -2. Hello friends, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, share to any JHS student you know, as I will be dropping the lesson 2, which will focus on ordering of this number. I mean, arranging them in ascending order and descending order. Kindly note the first lesson was lesson 1, as I have indicated here. So the subsequent one will be lesson 2, lesson 3, until we are done with this topic. I'll be taking them and solving them for my dear JHS people. I'm a teacher, by the way. Please kindly share to any JHS WhatsApp group, Facebook group, any JHS student you know. Kindly share this video to that person. God richly bless you. Bye bye.